they do in the different parts. And is everyone familiar with the KWL chart?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, there's 3 parts. And the first part is going to be the K part, and that's going to be what we already know. And that's going to be our on the topic of birds. So we're going to start with that. So we're just going to brainstorm a few things, like what do we already know about birds? Yes, ma'am? They fly. Okay. You want to come up and write it for me, please? Okay. Danielle?
They have feathers.
They have feathers. Okay. Hang on one second. All right. And then Matthew?
Yes.
Warm-blooded? Okay, good job. Alright, and then we'll do 3 more. No. See, Andrew?
They lay eggs.
They lay eggs. And then, yes ma'am.
They live in trees.
They live in trees.
Some.
Some live in trees, okay. Caleb, oh, you weren't? Okay. Elena? Is that right? Alana.
They have feet.
They have beaks.
I told you what I was going to say.
And we'll do one more. Yes, sir, in the back.
She's still nice.
Oh, okay. Do you have an answer? Okay, one more. Yes, ma'am, in the back.
I wasn't going to say that.
Okay, so we'll just review those really quick. So some things we already know about birds. Most fly. They have feathers. They're warm-blooded. They lay eggs. Some live in trees. They have beaks, claws, and they're vertebrates. Great. Okay, now for W, it's what do we want to know about birds? These are some things that hopefully today as we go through our lesson, we'll learn about the birds. Yes, ma'am. How long does it take the eggs to hatch? Okay, and then, yes, sir.
How long does it take for birds to grow all their feathers?
Grow all their feathers. Okay, and yes, sir.
How long does it take for
Andrew, have a seat, please.
Hey, y'all have some really good questions. And then one more. Did you have a question? Yes, ma'am.
About how many eggs does a mother
Alright, so these are going to be some of the questions that we're going to have throughout the lesson today. And when we come back, we're going to go through what have I learned. So as we go through our lesson, you're going to have a picture of a duck. We're going to learn about different kinds of birds, but ducks are going to be kind of like the central thing. So we're going to have a picture of a duck, and we're going to have a piece of notebook paper. And as we go through our lesson, we're going to write something that we noticed, that we thought was interesting, something that we already knew even, or something that we learned. So that way when we come back to the classroom, we can put these on our list. So we can kind of see what we already knew and what we've learned and how they're different and how they're the same, okay? So I'm just going to pass out a few papers to everybody, and then we're going to split into groups, okay?
Take some pictures. first.